Hurricane? Never heard of it. That's a nice one. Yeah. I think I got it, but be on standby. That thing is digging. My drag is tight,
Might
Ian.
be a little 2-pounder.
In the rain?
Oh yeah, that's a nice one, Maddie. That is a really nice one. Oh, that might be a 3-pounder.
Please get it.
That's a 3-pounder.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's bigger.
Do you have your scale?
No, I stopped bringing it.
Maddie?
That might be my PB.
That's what I'm saying. That's the biggest fish we caught out here.
Well,
and you don't have your freaking scale.
I don't keep it on me anymore because I always feel bad putting it in the fish. Oh my gosh.
Alright, let me get your PB.
Possible PB, definitely a 4-pounder. Release.
Oh, she just got me.
This rain. Or at least now it's starting to feel like now it's like 70 with this rain. That is big too. Oh my god,
Another
Ian.
big one?
Yes.
They're probably
It's running towards me. I don't think it's as big, but yeah, it's nowhere. It's a
big crappie. Holy crap.
definitely not my PB, but that is a pound and at least.
Probably a pound. That is 3 inches long.
Ooh, that's a big black crappie though.
Oh my god. That thing is giant.
Can you get me another photo?